Okay, in this example, what I'm going to do is we're going to make an array or a list. Now, Python doesn't really use arrays, it uses something called lists, but an array is like a list of numbers. So what we're going to do first is we're going to make a list and we're going to call it numbers. And as you can see, I've just typed there numbers equals, and I'm going to do these square brackets. So that tells Python now you're going to have a list. So what we're going to do is we could put numbers in here. So if I wanted to put 1, 5, 6, 9, and if I just go print numbers, if I run that program, what it'll do is it prints these numbers for me. So it prints whatever is in here. So if I take 5 away and put 4, if I run that again, bam, you can see it's running that. Now we can do a number of things here. Okay, we can take numbers out. So if I wanted to, I could do numbers.pop and then print numbers. And what that does is it pops the second one out. Now don't forget, it's not actually the second one, it's actually the third one, because Python uses base 0, so you've got 0, 1, 2. So basically this takes the second one out. Okay, so the second one the Python thinks, but obviously the third one. Now if we wanted to, we can ask the user to type a number in. So if I get rid of this list, so I've just got numbers, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a variable called x, and this can be called anything. So x equals input, give me a number. So x is basically going to have a number. So what I'm going to do is I am now going to add that number into the numbers array. Sounds stupid, but whatever's in x is going to go in here. So the way we do that is we do numbers.append and open bracket x. So what this is doing is it's adding whatever is in here, x, we work backwards. So x append means add to numbers, and then we're going to print numbers. So let's see how that works. If I press F5, click OK, give me a number 5. Now then, the reason why that's done that is because it's remembered it from memory. Let me close that down and kill that terminal. Right, let's run it again. Give me a number 5. Bam. And you can see it's just got the number 5 there for me. Now if I wanted to make this an integer, I can then put int, and then if I run this again, 5. You'll notice now it's gone. Here, look, it was a string as 5. Here it's definitely a number of 5. And if I wanted to add 2 numbers in, there's a number of ways I could do it. I could use a loop, which is what my next video is going to be about, or I can just copy this code and put it in again. So if I press F5, give me a number 5, give me another number 8. So you can see now 5 and 8 are in my list. Hopefully you found that interesting, and if you have, please subscribe.